Hello people, well this is my first fuel tank fill up on my Bros since I passed the MOT earlier today. Road tax paid for, insured, I am now road legal. Road legal on the Bros again. I cannot believe it. I'm so happy. Considering my lack of skill and talent. No lack of determination though. Just hope it all hangs together. Which it might not. Which is why I got breakdown cover on my insurance. So let's go for a bit of a spin. Try and get a bit of life back into these tyres really. So I took it for a bit of a cheeky, not entirely legal test ride the other day. Just before the MOT, just to make sure basically it went in a straight line and didn't blow up. And I did have to make some changes. The throttle cable routing was not good. And when I put it on full lock, the revs rose all by themselves. Not good. And I had to reroute the clutch cable. That wasn't ideal either. Couldn't believe how high the foot pegs were. God damn! I thought my BMW S1000 had high foot peg to seat ratio, but yeah, this is even a bit more extreme than that. Let's just brap it down here, shall we? Let's give it some revs. Oh, this little thing, this little light bike. It's nice to be on this little thing again. It's old. It's got stiff joints. Doesn't feel particularly happy doing this, but I do. Nice, sounds good. That Tesla there would absolutely cream this bike in any sort of race. Round corners, and certainly in a straight line, this bike would have no chance of keeping up. It ain't like the old days. Well, the bike doesn't feel like it's getting any worse. That's a good thing. Well, I won't pretend that was an easy overtake at A-row speeds. It takes a while. Right, here I am, fifth gear, 3,000 RPM. Does it want to pull? Yeah, check out that mid-range. Have some of that. Guys, I'm going to overtake you if you stay behind this car with this bicycle on top. It's not acceptable. Seriously, I'm gonna have to flog it. Woohoo! That was a fourth gear. There's only 5 gears on this bike, by the way. So here's the thing. Dynamically, this is not that enjoyable a bike to ride. But emotionally, I've got a Honda Bros. I've wanted one since the mid-90s. I've got one. I've taken it to bits. I've fettled it to a degree. And now it's back on the road. And I am beyond happy. Oh, that sounded glorious. But I gotta say, after 56 miles, none of me is numb. I can't quite believe it. For the amount of vibes this bike puts out. Oh wow. My throttle cable. That doesn't feel right. There's a lot of play in that cable. A lot more than I thought there was. Last time I checked, a few days ago. Ah, one of my indicators are gone. It's flashing too fast on the dash. Oh. Oh shit. I got a slight problem. Ah, one of my indicators are gone. I wonder when that happened. Jesus. Well, on that bombshell, I'll see you in another video. Take care, bye.